guys, rachybop here, and today I would like to show you an app called Sunshine, and this is going to replace all of your Dropbox needs. You can transfer, stream or download large files instantly without the cloud. Let's open it up and see how the setup works first of all, and then I'll go through the app details. So as you can see here, it says Sunshine. It's all really bright and visually really lovely. I love that. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can create an account or log in if you already have one. And when you sign up, you just need to put your email, your name and create a password. And your name is going to be for your friends, so you can send things easily between each other. It's then going to ask to access your photos, because you can use it obviously to send your photos very easily. Watch movies in other devices from your phone without downloading. No more syncing or USB cable. Backup files to a computer and free up the space. This is so important for those of us that have 16 gig iPhones. Pics over 100 gig, share instantly without uploading. Connect devices, instant file backup, transfer, share, enable them all with a single app. Oh, and most of my pictures are screenshots just of things to remember. So these are a lot of the photos that I have on my device, videos, I'm not sure I have any at the moment, and files as well. You can see there's a number 1 up on the top left. I'll just click that and you can see the menu opens, and we can see my profile with my name here, which I can then edit if I want to straight from there. You can make it private if you want to, and you can upgrade your account. Let's just see what we get for that. So you can have a 14-day trial of premium, so they're actually giving you access to that for free as well, which is pretty good. And that's what you get, and those are the prices, so it's already cheaper than Dropbox. I pay $9.99 a month to Dropbox, just to give you an idea, and you get 3 months by inviting, just like you do on Dropbox as well. These are what you get for free when you sign up, so these are absolutely no cost ever. You can play or transfer files between Android, iOS, Windows and Mac, play computer files from a mobile or tablet, file transfer, no limits, play shared files without downloading, and connect and play on a smart TV. Plus, if you get premium, you get mobile to computer backup, one-click backup, backup files with no limit. That's no limit, flexible file transfer between devices, and early access to the coming features. So they're still working on making this even more awesome. So let's have a go with some of the files now. So down here we've got, you can have sharing on 4G. You probably want to leave that off if you have a data restriction. You've got your sharing history, standby files, so things that still need to be synced. Invite friends, which will give you options to invite people, which you will be rewarded for with more space. How to, so this is going to tell you how to share with your friends, and it's all there in tutorial which you can access at any time. It's pretty simple. Also in the how to, we've got how to connect your devices and how to back up your computer. This is how to connect your devices. You basically just sign in on the devices with the same platform and it will link everything up. And then you've got your settings, which you can change, but also in the how to, you got backup to a computer. So have your devices under the same Wi-Fi and start Sunshine. Select the files to backup and tap backup. So these are the options I have for download on the website, sunshineapp.com, and I'm going to go for the Windows download because that's what I'm running. That will then open this tab. Sunshine for Windows is now downloading. There we go. And then I have the option to run it now, add an exemption to Windows Firewall, which will be pretty important if you want to get this to work, and create a shortcut on your desktop. So I'll tick yes to all those and finish. And now is my opportunity to log in with the same details I just created on the app. And then it's going to open a little user guide so you know exactly how to use it. And you can just tab through that like this. And this is your interface for the Sunshine app on your desktop device. And you'll see now when we go to my device and refresh, because I've had the app open, there we go, we've got my laptop on here. So I can now sync files between my iPhone and my laptop extremely easily. Most of the things that you probably want to do within this app are with the premium service, as they would be with any sharing app like this. So I'm really glad that they offer that 14-day free trial. I think that's really good. So I've got a vision boards folder that I'm going to synchronize via my laptop and wait for it to appear on here. Okay, it says it's complete now on the laptop. So now I've accessed it, I can see that I've made the folder that I've just made available on my laptop to the iPhone is suddenly here. That is so useful because it means I can quickly get stuff on here before I go out. Like, it was pretty much instant, took a few seconds, and I know these are just photos, but there's quite a lot of them and it's done it straight away. So that's really, really useful. I think for me the premium service is more useful as well, just for the sake of eradicating the need for Dropbox and saving that little bit of money. So there's no limits on the size of the things or the format or the number of files that you share with friends. You can share it to multiple friends as well, and people can then immediately view it. There's no wait for it to download or anything like that. The speed is like really, really fast. I use Dropbox and I use WeTransfer as well. I use it a lot for work purposes, for larger files, and I've found that this is like probably a third quicker than those. This also supports DLNA media streaming and it's super easy to use. Now the main problem with Dropbox is that you have to upload things, and I know a lot of people don't like to use it because you delete things accidentally all the time. I've had a lot of clients that I've worked with that have deleted really important work because they don't know what the hell they're doing with Dropbox. So with this, you just can't do that. It works in a really common sense kind of way. And you don't have to like educate yourself on anything to be able to use it, and you've always got the how-to sections if you find it a little daunting at first to refer to at any time. I like that because a lot of apps, they take away the how-to section after you've first gone in, when you just don't even know what you're doing. Another perk as regards to this app versus Dropbox, you can actually see the files before you download them, whereas Dropbox is a little bit, it shows a tiny icon in a certain area. It's not generally big enough for you to see what you're doing. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this a lot more over the upcoming months. I mean, maybe I'll check back in a couple of months and see how I've got on, because I'd really like to replace Dropbox if this is going to be so much cheaper. But that's going to take a while because I literally have everything in Dropbox. Everything. So we'll see. Hopefully I will get there. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Also, let me know if you have any questions. I will try my best to answer those for you, or to find out the answer for you, as I'm getting more and more in depth with this app. I'm gonna give it 5 big fat moves. I see absolutely no reason not to give it that many big fat moves, because it is super good, and the fact that they offer that free trial of 2 weeks is so amazing. It gives you plenty of time to see if it's worth it for you to upgrade, and the free stuff in it is generally brilliant anyway. So let me know your thoughts in the comments as always, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!